Good day. So we have our new lesson, which is illustrating quadratic inequalities. So which of the following are not a quadratic equation? So review muna tayo. Ano dito ang hindi quadratic equation? So again, pag sinabing quadratic equation, dapat may degree of 2. 2 ang pinakamataas na exponent. And then may equal sign, syempre, meron tayong naka-equate sa 0. So ang mga hindi dito quadratic equation ay 2s squared plus 7s plus 5 is greater than 0. So bakit hindi ito quadratic equation? Wala siyang equal sign. Kasi nga equation dapat naka-equate sa 0. Okay, next. So si 2t squared is less than 21 minus 9t. So wala ding equal sign. So meron tayong symbol ng less than. Ito naman kanina ay greater than. Another, si r squared plus 10r is less than or equal to negative 6. Okay, so again, pag meron tayong sign ng mga greater than, less than, ayan po ay hindi quadratic equation. And last, we have 3w squared plus 12w greater than or less than 2, 0. So itong apat ang mga hindi quadratic equation. So anong tawag sa kanila? So, ayan na yun. So, it is called the quadratic inequality. So, what is quadratic inequality? So, it is an equality that contains a polynomial of degree 2. So, ganun pa din. Kasi nga quadratic yan. Tandaan. Pagka-quadratic, okay, pagka-quadratic po, yan po ang degree ng equation mo ay 2. So, ganun din sa quadratic inequality ha. So, meron tayong degree of 2 and can be written in any of the following forms. So, ito yon. Ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0. So, greater than ang basa dyan. And ax squared plus bx plus c is less than 0. Or ax squared plus bx plus c greater than 0 or greater than or equal. Greater than or equal to 0. And then ax squared plus bx plus c less than or equal to 0. And ganun pa din, tandaan ng a, b, and c are real numbers. So, pwede yan siyang positive, pwedeng negative, pwedeng fractions, ganyan. Basta, ang a natin is not equal to 0. Same with quadratic equation. Our a cannot be equal to 0 kasi kapag 0 ang a natin, ito, mawawala ang quadratic term natin. Okay? Again, pag inequality na pinag-uusapan, wala kang makikitang equal sign, as in equal lang, as in equal alone. Dapat may makikita kang greater than, less than, greater than equal, or less than equal. Inequality ang tawag doon. Okay, next. So, determine whether each mathematical sentence is a quadratic inequality or not. So, titignan muna natin, ano ba ang hahanapin natin? Dapat quadratic, so dapat naka-raise sa 2, yun ang pinakamataas. Okay, check. And then, dapat may inequality. So, meron tayong greater than symbol. So, this is correct. So, this is a quadratic inequality. And then, okay, so na-explain ko naman, may degree of 2, and a is not equal to 0, and written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0. So, okay tayo dito. Next. Okay, titingnan mo ha. Dapat ang highest, the degree of polynomial is 2. So, meron tayong pinakamataas na exponent 2. Okay, check. Pero, wala tayong inequality symbol. Meron tayo equal symbol. So, it is quadratic inequality or not? So, this is not. Anong tawag dito? This is a quadratic equation. Ayan. Tandaan na, bakit ma'am quadratic equation yan? Equally. Okay, equal. May equal sign and then ang highest exponent ay 2. So, quadratic equation siya. Next. So, determine, ganun pa din, whether each mathematical sentence is quadratic inequality or not. So, ito lang muna ang given dyan. So, mag-a-annotate ako. Yan. Ito lang ang given. Okay? Sinolve na muna niya. Bakit naging ganito? So, Tingnan natin ha, 2x times x ay 2x squared. And then 2x times 2 ay positive 4x, sorry. 4x, 4x. Ito naman, negative 3x. So, negative 3x. And then negative 3 times 2 ay negative 6 is greater than 0. So, 2x squared, ito po ay ima-minus, 4 minus 3 ay x na lang, and then minus 6 is greater than 0. So, kaya naging ganito. So, is this a quadratic inequality or not? Yes. Proceed. So, this is quadratic inequality kasi meron tayong degree of 2 and meron tayong greater than na symbol. Dito naman tayo. Focus naman tayo dito. So, ito lang yan. 3x squared plus 18 is less than 3 quantity x squared minus 4x. So, ang gagawin dyan, solve muna natin. Kapalan ko lang itong sulat. Okay, so si 3x squared plus 18, bring down. Kinapi ko lang. And then ito, solve. 3 times x squared, 3x squared. So, yan. 3 times negative 4x ay negative 12x. And then, pagsasama-samahin na natin. Si 3x squared, ililipat natin siya sa kabila, lipat sa kabila, kaya siya naging negative 3x squared. Ito, bring down lang to ha. 3x squared, bring down. Si 3x squared na yan sa kabila, nilipat, naging negative 3x squared. And then, si negative 12, nilipat din doon, so naging positive 12x. And then si 18 plus 18 is less than 0. So, eto, 3x squared minus 3x squared ay 0. Wala na. Kaya, naiwan na lang si 12x plus 18. So, ito na lang yun. 12x plus 18. Ngayon, ang tanong, is this a quadratic inequality or not? So, this is not. Bakit not? Wala na tayong quadratic term na 0 na siya. So, sabi ko kanina, ang quadratic term, ang a natin, cannot be equal to 0. So, ito ay, ang tawag na dito, naging linear na siya. Okay? So, yun lang. Yun to. So, yun lang ha. This is not a quadratic inequality kasi wala na ang degree na ng exponent natin ay 1 na lang. Okay, sana clear tayo. So, thank you for listening. So, now you may answer your performance task 2 na binigay ko po kahapon. Thank you. Bye.